Imagine your manager asks you, what is the total sales department expense for January? Instead of filtering manually, I will show you how to calculate department-wise and month-wise totals instantly using the SUMIFS function in Excel. This summary table automatically calculates total expenses based on department and month combination. Let me show you how. Next, let's calculate variance. Variance equals budget minus actual. Now we know whether we overspent or underspent. Let's add a status indicator. If variance is greater than or equal to 0, we will show favorable, otherwise unfavorable. This is very useful in finance reporting. The moment I change the month, department, or expense type, the actual and budget totals update automatically. No filtering, no manual work. This is why SUMIFS is one of the most important Excel function for finance professionals. In real finance roles, SUMIFS is heavily used for MIS reporting, budget analysis, management reporting. If you are preparing for finance interviews or working in FP&A, this is a must-know formulas. If this video helped you, subscribe for more practical Excel for financial tutorials. Thank you.